Hello, I'm Chris, Certified RV Technician for Unique Camping and Marine. I'm going to be walking you through the directions and throwing in some helpful tips and tricks to using Unique's Scrub It. For regular cleaning, fill the toilet bowl half full with water. Scrub It can come with two different styles of caps. For the Scrub It, which is purchased from a local RV retailer, it will come with the pull up, push down style of cap. For the Scrub It, which is ordered online, this will come with a threaded cap and then a spray style nozzle on the end of it, which is hidden underneath the cap. Apply Scrub It directly to the toilet bowl. There is no specific amount when it comes to ounces when using Scrub It. Use as much or as little Scrub It is necessary to fully clean your toilet bowl. Scrub the toilet bowl with a gentle RV toilet brush to remove stains. When using Scrub It, we recommend using a silicone bristled brush, which will avoid doing any damage to any type of RV toilet. Whether it's a plastic or porcelain toilet, a silicone bristled brush, while used in conjunction with Scrub It, will not do any damage to the toilet bowl. Allow the cleaner to remain in the toilet bowl until the next use. Scrub It is not meant to replace your existing holding tank treatment. Scrub It can enhance the holding tank treatment, but it cannot replace it. Scrub It will not do any damage to the gasket or ball valve inside of your RV toilet. In fact, Scrub It can help lubricate it and make sure that it continues to function properly throughout the use of the toilet. For hard water and tough stains, fill your toilet bowl half full with water. Apply enough Scrub It to coat the toilet bowl. Let it sit for at least an hour. Scrub the toilet bowl with a gentle RV toilet brush to remove as many stains as possible. If you're using Scrub It to clean off a stain or hard water stain, which might be inside of the RV toilet, be sure and allow enough time for the Scrub It to sit on the stain before scrubbing it. There is no amount of time which is too long to allow Scrub It to remain on the stain, and in fact, the longer it can remain there, the better it can do at removing the stain. Allow the solution to sit in the toilet overnight. Scrub the RV toilet again with the brush before flushing. Repeat if necessary. The shelf life for Scrub It is 2 years. If it goes over 2 years by a little bit, don't worry, it still should work just fine. Well, that about wraps it up. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions and leave them down in the comments section. We can add them then to the FAQ section of the product page. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.